This year marks the 5th anniversary of our school program. So what is our school program? It is a program that is mapped to the Create Hair Up and the Braiding units. We designed this program to not just make styling easier, but also exciting and relevant right from the very beginning of their training. Before the students are even logged in, they get a kit of our styling tools. So right from our world famous Time Saver brush, every single tool that is in this toolkit is high quality, and to me that is so important to get the right tools in their hands right from the very beginning. So once the students get all their goodies, they're then logged into the online program. So this portal is full of video tutorials that all come with head sheets and notes, and it really does help the teachers and the students actually get through these 2 units with absolute ease. And here's what I'm really proud of. By getting the students to get their hands in hair at a really early time in their career, it means that they're going to be able to feel confident when it comes to actually being able to move, manipulate, and actually control hair. Another massive bonus to this program is every student actually will have lifetime access to the program. So every time we do updates, they will actually have those updates. So they can open up their mobile phone or they can open up their computer and actually watch any of these tutorials for the rest of their styling life. The success of the program really comes down to the relationship that I hold with all the educators that are part of this program. Because every year I ask for their feedback. What would you like to see? Is there anything else that needs to be in this program? And it's really built over those years from great relationship building, and really I love to sit down and listen to every single idea that all of those teachers have for this program. So to all the schools in Australia and New Zealand, thank you so much for supporting this program over the last 5 years. I truly look forward to the next 5 years to come, and let's make styling easier and faster for every student that walks through your door.